Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Outlook. Install Microsoft Outlook. Go to Start, greater than all programs greater than _CEDAR.net greater than communications. Click Outlook Mail Installation. The installation will start automatically and will take about 5 minutes. Note: when the installation process is complete, the installation box will disappear, and several new options will be available in your Start menu.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's a free app that will be pre-installed with Windows 10, and you don't need an Office 365 subscription to use it. That's something Microsoft has struggled to promote, and many consumers simply don't know that Office.com exists and Microsoft has free online versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Officially, only Outlook 2013, Outlook 2016, Office 2019 and Microsoft 365 are supported to run on Windows 10. Microsoft 365 installations, including Office 2016 Retail and Office 2019, will automatically keep themselves up to date, but you can always check for updates manually.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Choose Start, Run, and in the open box, type Outlook. In the upper left corner of Outlook, choose File, Options, Add-ins. Select the checkbox next to an add-in you want to re-enable, and then choose OK. Repeat all steps until you've re-enabled all of the original add-ins and revealed the source of the error.
Take our lead.
Microsoft Outlook can be found under the Programs menu under Microsoft Office 2013-2016. You can place a shortcut on your desktop or tag it to the taskbar if you like. 11. Click on Outlook to start it up and click on Next.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.